Okay, so you've created the camera and now you want to add dimensions. The first thing you need to do is go up to the top left of your screen, and where it looks like a little piece of paper, click the check arrow next to it and click on drawing. Make sure that your dimensions are set. If you have not set them, please look at the tutorial that I've set up where it's talking about dimensioning. I'm just going to double check mine before we start. Manage, Styles Editor. Okay, make sure all these are fine. Yep. Make sure it's period, in third angle, and done. Okay, we know we're fine. So next we're going to go up to Place Views. I want to add a front, top, and left side view. So I'm going to click on my base button. You may have to move your screen to the right so you can see your views. I'm going to click somewhere towards the middle to place my front view down. I'm going to move my mouse straight up, give me a bit of room, and place my top view. I'll then move it to the left to give my left side view. And finally, in the right hand corner to give me a 3D view. To finish it, right click with your mouse and click on Create. Now notice how you've got all the views there. I want to turn my 3D view into a cool colorful look. So what I'm going to do is move my mouse over it until I see kind of a faint red outline. You'll double click that. Bring your view over, and in these options down here you can change it. So I'm going to click on the one that says shaded and then click OK. Next I need to add a few dimensions. So I'm going to zoom in. I'm going to click on my annotate toolbar at the top. Click on dimension. Now the only thing that you need to know is that you must dimension important dimensions. That means you do not want to double up dimensions. So I want to show someone how wide my camera is. So I'll click this one and move it up. And click again. Okay, I probably want to show how thick my camera is. So I'm going to do it on this side and move it over. I need to tell someone how wide my camera is. I'll click on this one, move it over. And it's probably important to tell somebody how big your lens is. So I'm going to click here. And once again in the center of this one. So now people know that the diameter is 40 and 16. How about how deep does our lens go out? So I might click on this one. I'll do this side here. Okay. And I need to specify that it's in the center. So to do that one, I'll simply click my circle, the left side, and I'll move it up and place it there. So that finishes that part. The last thing you may need to do is go down and add some text. I'll click here. Alright, I'm going to type in, make sure I change my size to 5mm. Type in front view. Okay. I'll click on this one. Change it to 5mm. Top view. And on this one, left view. I need to make sure it's in 5mm. Alright, and then I'm going to type here 5mm isometric. Okay. Now I'll click I, save. You can give it a name, and then to print it out, I print. And this is the most important part. This part here you can change your printers. This one here you need to click on best fit. Make sure you select that. Then you can click OK to print it. And that will be complete.